Hello, everyone, and allow me to introduce Reforum Consulting. Who are we? Three friends, travel buddies, and professional peers with over 30 years combined human service experience. We created a consulting, coaching, and professional development company that supports corporations and communities centered on reforming their culture and climate through curated conversations. During our Building Capacity workshop, you could look forward to learning the following: the changes and challenges that may interrupt team dynamics, how to navigate workplace stress, the importance of culture and climate in the workplace and its connection to productivity. We will also create a positive team or company culture. And lastly, we'll be exploring how team building activities can help foster vision, connectedness, and collaboration. Again, we are Reforum Consulting, and we hope to see you there. Like the workshop.
It was very informative, it was very interactive, it was inspiring. I learned a lot of things that I didn't really fully understand, but I think the ladies did a great job.